How to find Google Authenticator setup key. Hello everyone, this is Sabrina here to help you today. So without any further ado, let's get right into the video. So first, launch your Authenticator application, and as you can see here, when you open the app, all your Authenticator setup key will appear over here, and in order to add a new setup key, simply tap on this plus icon. Now if you are adding a QR code, select QR code, but if you are adding a setup key, simply enter a setup key. Now enter your code name and then enter your key. Make sure you have selected time based and then simply add it. Now as you can see, new setup key is added. So that's it. In order to retrieve, all you have to do is tap on it and the code will be copied to clipboard. So that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel. If you got any questions, comment them down and I'll catch you in the next one.